Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Hinge application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and once the application is opened up, tap on the search box and then type in Hinge Dating and start your search. Now once you find the Hinge Dating application, go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Hinge Dating app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And now once the application is opened up, you can continue with signing up to create a new account or log in to your existing one to directly start using the Hinge Dating platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Hinge Dating app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.